Welcome to Kakshaspark. Hello, little learners. Today we are going to learn CVC words with sound am. 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 Let's read am words. Am, dam. Am, dam. Am, ham. Am, ham. Am, yam. Am, yam. Am, ram. Am, ram. Let's repeat. Dam, ham, yam, ram. Dear kids, जब भी आपको ए और एम लेटर साथ में दिख जाएं, तो आपको बोलना है एम. Keep practicing phonics with Kakshaspark.